Welcome back. In this section, we're going to talk about how to become a certified ambassador to the fairy realm. I'll answer all your questions and we can talk about how you can become an ambassador. So what is an ambassador to the fairy realm? This section will include frequently asked questions. Here is the definition of ambassador by Merriam-Webster. Feel free to stop this and read it. Anyone can be an ambassador to the fairy realm. You don't need the president or a king to appoint you. The fairy and nature realms are disappearing more and more from the planet. There was a time the humans and the nature spirits lived in harmony together. Humans respected and honored these beings for the most part, and they believed in them. Unfortunately, when mainstream religions took over the planet, fairies and elementals were blamed for bad weather, deformed children, unexplainable death, and misfortune. Over time, fairies, nature spirits, and those of the elemental realm began to hide from humanity and went hidden into nature. Today, most people do not believe in fairies and mystical beings, and they think that those who do are just crazy, insane, or airy-fairy. So now we must be the advocates for the fairy realm. As time went on, fairies and elementals became legends and fairy tales. Less people believed. Humans no longer respected the planet. We're now faced with global warming, climate changes, air, water, and noise pollution, which can be overwhelming for humans and the elementals. As an ambassador to the fairy realm, it's our responsibility to do our part in protecting this planet. For those of you who have already signed up for the Fairies, Nature, Spirits, and Elemental Realm online class, or those who are thinking about signing up for it, I'm going to answer some frequently asked questions now about how you can become an ambassador to the fairy realm. There are a few guidelines to become an ambassador to the fairy realm. First off, respect your fellow human beings no matter what race, color, gender, and beliefs they aspire to. Be kind to all flora, fauna, and fae. Don't even think about littering, and recycle whenever possible. No mocking of those with funny hats, pointy ears, wings, furry feet, or sparkly hair. Practice random acts of good magic and kindness, and clap your hands or ring bells to call your fairy realm friends. Be kind to animals. Protect nature whenever possible. You may ask, will I receive a certificate to be a certified ambassador to the fairy realm? And the answer is yes. After you complete the course, you may email me via Udemy with the name you wish printed on it and the email address that I can send you a printable PDF to. Question: is there a fairy realm embassy? Answer: unfortunately, no. There should be. The United Nations most probably will never recognize or acknowledge the fairy realm or that nature spirits exist. Feel free to make your own home an embassy for the Fae. Perhaps in the far future, mankind will be more enlightened. Question: is there a uniform or dress code to be an ambassador to the fairy realm? Answer: yes and no. Always dress for the job you want. There are no fashion rules or codes. It would be lovely to carry magic wands, wear ambassador sashes, epithets, tiaras, fairy wings, sparkles in your hair. Feel free to parade around in them if you so desire. Halloween is a wonderful time to express your inner fae. Or if you live in a place like Salem, Massachusetts, where it's considered normal to be different and to be in costume every day, you can parade around as much as you want in the attire you so desire. Question: will I be given diplomatic immunity if I commit a crime? Answer: no. It is not recommended to try such a stunt, although you may get free residence at a mental institution or a jail. Question: can I get a paying job as an ambassador to the fairy realm? Answer: at this time, there does not seem to be any positions open on planet Earth. However, there may be a few openings on surrounding planets. Question: will I receive my own chauffeur or limousine for diplomatic purposes? Answer: every ambassador is given a unicorn for transportation. It is your responsibility to care for it. Question: should I add this certification on my resume? Answer: it's not really recommended if you're applying for any type of muggle or government related job or position. Best to stay incognito for now. However, if you are applying for a job with a new age or wooey wooey shop or maybe a theme park, it might help you. Question: can I apply for unemployment benefits as an out-of-work ambassador to the fairy realm? Answer: not on this planet. However, let us all know how that works out for you. Question: will I be provided with free housing as an ambassador? Answer: there are rumors that free housing exists in remote forests and enchanted castles and areas on the planet. However, this information is not available to the public. Question: will I be able to obtain a permit to have a pet dragon from the local authorities with my new ambassador status? Answer: it depends on the pet and livestock laws of your city, state, and country. Question: will people call me Airy Fairy if I tell them that I'm an ambassador to the fairy realm? Answer: most probably, but be polite and thank them for the compliment. Question: is there a secret handshake, a code, or a sign to let others know that you are an ambassador to the fairy realm? Answer: you can always clap your hands or ring a bell. Certification to become an ambassador to the fairy realm, and this online class is available on Udemy. Fairies, nature spirits, and the elemental realm, an online class now available.